What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks. When you open a new Moomoo brokerage account, you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, guys. Don't delay. Act today. Get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Open up your Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you some free Webull tutorial videos to teach you how to use the Moomoo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Those tutorial videos will teach you how to use that Moomoo brokerage app so you can get off to a fast start to building wealth. The Federal Reserve has just issued another warning to the American people. And that warning is this. Put yourself in position. We're going to get ready to reduce these rates 2 more times in 2024. And we're going to reduce them another 100 to 125 basis points in 2025. When rates go down, growth stocks go up. So put yourself in position to be able to capitalize on that. What does capitalize on that mean? Guys, you got to be in position to be ready to buy big boy blue chip paper assets. Now, let me walk you through why this warning makes sense. Here's the headline. Wall Street banks boosted by deal fees and Fed rate cuts. Wall Street's biggest banks reported rising investment banking fees in the third quarter, fueled by more deals and corporate debt issuance. I told you when interest rates go down, companies borrow money, guys. And when they borrow money, they do what with that money? They put it into the company's growth. And if they grow, that means they're making more revenue and hopefully they're more profitable, which in turn does what to their stock price? Increases it. This is what they're telling you right now. Wall Street's biggest banks reported rising investment banking fees in the third quarter, fueled by more deals and corporate debt issuance, and said their pipeline of new activity looked healthy. Your banks, your lenders are starting to see more companies, corporate companies, small companies come in to borrow money since rates are starting to come down. And again, they're going to take that money and invest it into their growth, which in turn hopefully increases their stock price. That's where you and I come in. Because if we're buying big boy blue chip paper assets, aka S&P 500 ETF, aka information technology ETFs, individual stocks that are growth stocks, we get to benefit off of these lower rates that the Fed has already started. Remember, in September, 50 basis points rate cut. Another 50 basis points before the end of the year. 25 basis point cut in November, and 25 basis point cut in December. And then in 2025, like I said earlier, prepare yourself for at least 100 basis point rate cut to the Fed funds rate, which does what? It continues to encourage borrowing. I'm telling you guys, put yourself in position because 2025, 2026 are going to be monster years. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion and my prediction based on 30 years of doing this. They're going to be monster years, in my opinion, as the Fed continues to reduce rates. So they're warning you now. If you want to build wealth, put yourself in position. Like I said, get yourself down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link and open up your Moomoo account and put you some money in there. Learn how to use the brokerage app, which I'll send you videos to do that. You just need to email me through the website. Put yourself in position, guys. Bankers are growing optimistic. Federal Reserve and other central bank rate cuts in coming months will boost the pipeline of deals as borrowing becomes cheaper. Increased expectations of a soft U.S. economic landing are also boosting deal makers' confidence. The year will finish on a high. This is what these bank executives are saying. I've been telling y'all guys that I believe, just like these bank execs believe, we're going to finish strong this year. You can already see pre-election what's happening in the markets. This is pre-election, guys. What do you think is going to happen post-election? When whoever's in the White House, that's all settled and behind us, the markets are going to be ready to run. In my opinion, not a professional here, guys, just giving you my opinion. You go out and do your own homework and come up with your own opinion, but I'm telling you what these banks are saying. I just gave it to you. This is from your big boy banks. The big banks have been beating estimates with help from investment banking revenue, which is a big diversifier and advantage compared to smaller or mid-sized banks. This is coming from a portfolio manager at Hennessy Funds, which holds stocks of the 6 large banks. Goldman Sachs said investment banking fees rose 20% year over year to $1.87 billion, driven by leveraged finance and investment grade activity and equity underwriting. Its investment banking fees pipeline increased compared with both the end of the second quarter of 2024 and the end of 2023. As interest rates come down, guess what happens? Growth stocks go up. Now let's talk a little bit quickly about what's going on in the stock market, right? Here's today. Here's the headline. Dow raises 100 points as it tries to recover from Tuesday's losses. You know, yesterday was a tough day, right? NVIDIA sold off, so everything else sells off too. Now, I will say, though, the S&P 500 and the NAS and the Dow hovered around the same. They sold off, but not bad. So how did they start today? Let's take a look. The Dow Industrial Average was higher on Wednesday, trying to recover its footing following a sell-off in the previous session. The blue chip index added 113 points. That was this morning opening, right? The S&P and the NASDAQ were respectively trading 0.1% and 0.4% lower. So the Dow jumped, but the two other major indexes traded lower. Shares of Morgan Stanley rose 5% after topping Wall Street estimates for both its third quarter earnings and revenue. You're starting to see a trend here with the banks, right? The banks coming in first during this earnings season. Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, what are they doing? You're starting to see them beat expectations. And I think they continue beating expectations as interest rates go down, activity picks up for them. They can charge all types of fees for borrowing depending on the size of the company that they're borrowing the money to or lending the money to, right? United Airlines also reported better than expected results, sending shares 7% higher. The reporting period is off to a solid start. About 50 S&P 500 stocks have posted third quarter earnings thus far, with 79% of them beating expectations. That's a lot, guys. This is going to be a big earnings season in the last quarter, guys. Put yourself in position. Like I said, get down to that description box and click on that Moomoo link. Open up your Moomoo account today. Go ahead and fund it with $100 and get yourself 5 free stocks. If you fund it with $1,000, you get 15 free stocks. Now you're in position to take advantage of these interest rate cuts. The Fed has given you their final warning. If you want to build wealth, you better be taking advantage of these interest rate cuts. Put yourself in a position with that Moomoo brokerage app. Open your Moomoo brokerage account. Get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link. and open that account. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. Thinking about building wealth? Check out my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products, guys, that can change your financial life. You gotta go check them out. Make an investment in yourself today. Pick up some of those digital products. Everything from investing in real estate with little to no money down to credit repair, increase your credit score, mindset, how to manage your money better, how to invest in the stock market. It's there. If you want to start an online business, I got products there to help you do that. Go check out the website, make an investment in yourself. Guys, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got 1,000+ members in a little over 5 months. And all we do in that community is help one another build wealth. None of us are experts. We're just ordinary people helping each other through dropping tips and nuggets and best practices, what's working, what's not working, and providing a safe financial community for people to be vulnerable and discuss the issues that they're having with money. And we chime in and help you through our experience. We have people in there with a lot of experience, medium-sized experience, brand new, and we all help each other to build wealth. So come join us. There's a membership button. There's a join button inside my website. Click on it and come join us on the Patreon, where we're the fastest growing financial community there. So come join us. We're waiting on you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hey.